Yes, good morning, everyone. And thank God for today. One thank God for your life. One thank God for this opportunity. And we welcome you. Like we shared, we started yesterday, 7 days of prayer, fasting, and creation. And time around has come when we are to go on explaining one by one. And we thank God for each and everyone over there. One thank God for this opportunity. Remember, BCIG Nation is here to see you succeeding, see you progressing, see you going to greater things that you should be experiencing the will of God over your life. And remember, BCIG, we have three phases, three platforms. We have BCIG network, we have BCIG club, and we also have BCIG nation, BCIG community. And in this platform, where we are sharing more about BCIG network, and under BCIG network, remember we are also having three platforms. We have the health freedom, we have the spiritual freedom, and we also have financial freedom. Under health freedom, we have the safeguard, and spiritual freedom. Under spiritual freedom, that's where we have our online training, teaching, and the online church, the BCIG fellowship. Then under financial freedom, we have two platforms. We have the crypto bureau, and also AB Kingdom Traders. Now, today we want to share more about Crypto Bureau. And Crypto Bureau is one of the companies that we launched the start of this. It's now 2 weeks old in operation. It started way back in 2017 with one of our partners, Mr. Robert Simora. Is the one who started it in 2017, and it is registered as the Crypto Trade Investment Limited. Crypto Trade Investment Limited. And this platform, we are focusing exploring blockchain technology, Bitcoin, altcoin to make use of advantage, to use into good advantage. We are sharing with you, like in the previous meeting, like BCIG, we are focusing on bringing a platform where one can explore, one can exercise his rights. Remember, the Bible tells us that my people perished because of lack of knowledge. That is in Hosea. The Bible tells us that people perished because of lack of knowledge. You will agree with me that most of people are challenging, or people have lost money into what we call crypto industry, or what we call cryptocurrency, because there is nobody, or there is no a platform that is giving people such a kind of knowledge or kind of understanding into what we call crypto industry, or what we call knowledge about blockchain technology. And the Crypto Bureau has come out to teach people, to give them a platform, to give them knowledge that one should know that this industry, in this industry where we are in, the industry of blockchain technology, or what we call financial revolution, it's an industry whereby most people have misused it. And here we are coming up to showcase that we need to support our people, we need to teach our people, we need to give people knowledge and understanding that even if you have lost money from today onwards, that you will not blame yourself. Are you getting me? The Bible tells us that Paul preached the gospel, and he said that no single blood is accounted on me, because he did what he can. And he has reached a time where we are teaching you, giving you knowledge, skills, that even if you lose money, even if you have lost money, or you are about to lose money, but you will not blame us, because we are giving you a right, genuine information on how forex, on cryptocurrency, or what to knowledge about forex trading is all about. We are teaching you, giving you all the support that you need, and that's why BCIG came up. You remember BCIG is not a network company. BCIG is a platform. It's a platform where people can leverage different opportunities altogether. Now, and we are saying our vision is to build and maintain a business ecosystem of learners, traders, supporters who virtually support, publicly inform and socially empower humanity. We are into empowering humanity. We are into seeing that people can succeed. Our mission is to make sure that remember, we have three pillars. We have the pillar of learners, traders, and supporters. Learners, these are the people who will come to exercise or to embrace or to learn or to give to gain more information on what we call financial revolution, or what we call the transformation in financial industry. Then we have traders. Traders, these are the people who are already exercising what we are teaching. Are you getting me? Then we have supporters. Supporters, that's why we have people like promoters, people like networkers, people who want to expand this information to the rest of other communities. Now, we are into a business of helping the three category of people. The learners, we give them skills, we give them knowledge, we give them information on how they can exercise this. Then traders, we support them by giving them financial support. We give you financial support. We give you skills. Are you getting me? We give you training. Then supporters, these are the people that we reward on publishing this information to go to the outermost part of the world. As you are doing this, we are giving you financial support. We are helping you to see that you are succeeding. Then on our mission is to help mankind explore blockchain technology to maximize the potential of internet use and web presence using digital assets. Here, it's a platform where we are giving you people exercising the usage of internet. We have young generation who on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, on the Facebook, and here we are saying that you can use your community, because today social media has become our family. We are in a family of social media, and this is what we are saying, that you need to explore this and this. You need to make sure that you are enjoying the presence. You are enjoying the workings of, the Bible tells us in Daniel that in the end time knowledge shall increase. Knowledge shall increase, and knowledge. When we talk about knowledge increasing, we are talking about internet use, and people are exploring the internet. Then we have, I shared with you, we have three main pillars. We have a pillar of learning, trade and business, and earning. Learning, we are having people who are coming to get more information, to learn on the usage of internet, or what we call blockchain technology. Then we also have people who want to exercise or do trade and business, and we give them financial support. You remember, we give them some financial support on how you can explore technology, or what we call financial revolution. Then we are having earning, like every business. There is no one who can join a business where there is no earning. And in this platform, we have the learning sphere. The learning sphere, which gives people more knowledge on how you can make money. And this is why I'm going to focus on. On learning, we are having 3 or 4 main spheres. We teach about cryptocurrencies. We train about crypto trading. We give skills on crypto mining and also crypto exchanges. These are the spheres that somebody is paying for. You are paying for these 3 spheres. We are paying for the learning. You are paying for trade and business. You are paying for earning. Then pillar number 2 is trade and business, where we have crypto trading, we have e-commerce and e-business. Now, crypto trading, that's where you are manually participating in making money in crypto trading. You are trading physically, making money. Then we also have e-commerce and e-business. I shared with you in e-business and the e-commerce. That's why we are make use of technology. I told you that in the next 10 years come, we shall no longer be having these shops, the local shops that I'm going to somebody's shop to buy a cloth, to buy home appliances and all these kind of things. One will be ordering online, and the moment you order, products are delivered on your home, in your home. They are delivered at your home. You are seated at home. We are really experiencing this. People order food and food will find them at home. There is no need for somebody to go and cooking. Now this is what we are talking about. E-commerce and e-business. They work together, alongside one another. And here we are saying that we need to explore, we need to expand, we need to see that this message is going all over into in people's lives, and people are enjoying what we call trade and business. Then we have pillar number 3, where we have learning and we have earning. The main income source of Crypto Bureau is sale of CBCs. CBCs, they are called Crypto Bureau Centers. Now, Crypto Bureau Centers, in our layman language, you can call them shares. When you come to our platform, you buy shares. Are you getting? You buy shares, and each share gains value depending on how many people are coming on board, and it gains value depending on how traders are doing business. They gain value depending on how people more learners are coming on board, and supporters are going out to teach and bring more people on board. We are gaining value. The CBCs are gaining value. Here you are making money, whether you have brought a person or you have not brought a person, or you have talked to a person about a business or not. But the moment you have decided to become a member, you will benefit, because these CBCs, or what we call Crypto Bureau Centers, are gaining value day by day. Then we have profit from trade and business. As we are doing trade and business, remember we are funding business. More money is coming on board. More money is coming on board, and they are coming on board as a company. Their company is investing in the buying of CBCs, and the more CBCs are coming on board, the more money is coming to our members. Then we have repayment of funds. Repayment of funds. This is money that comes after we have given you a loan. Remember, we give loan to people who want to do business, and our loan is at a very, very good rate. Remember, you pay back. You are given over 2 years. Those are 24 months to pay back this loan. And with this, by paying this loan, you are paying you are paying 150%. Are you getting? You pay the money that you borrowed plus half of that money. Are you getting? If you borrow the $1,000, you will pay $1,500. If you borrow $10,000, you will pay $15,000. Now this one, in a period of 2 years, this is really, really amazing. Everybody can achieve this. Then we have what we call a reward, member award. What we have activation, matching, funding, monthly rank, and performance bonuses. Each member buys. If you are joining us, each member buys a CBC at $31 US. And in Uganda's money, it is equivalent to 140,000. Each CBC is equivalent to 124,000 Ugandan shillings. Then you gain one CBC. We have another. You can buy one package. Let me get back here. You can buy. We have 4 packages. You can buy one CBC. You can buy 10 CBC. You can buy 100 CBCs, and you can also buy 1,000 CBCs. depending on your capacity. Are you getting me? Those are 4 packages that one can participate into. Then all of us, or what we call each and everyone, go in what we call a single line, or what we call a one chain of activation, or where we say that you have joined and you have joined a one circle for all over the whole world. Each person goes through that, what we call a funnel. We call it Crypto Bureau funnel. Now, in this funnel, every time you join the Crypto Bureau, three people that comes after you pay you a commission of $2.5. 3 people that comes after you in Uganda shillings is 10,000. Every time you join, 3 people that come after you, whether you are the one who referred them or you are not the one who referred them, the company will pay you $2.5. That is around 10,000 Uganda shillings. In total will be 30,000. That is your first earning. You will earn that money instantly. I get me. You will earn that money instantly, and you can withdraw that money instantly. Our withdrawal platform is very clear. It is very accurate. It is very efficient. Then, the moment 6 people comes, remember you have the 3 plus the 6, 9 people activate you to go to what we call pairing bonus. Are you getting me? The moment 9 people or 9 accounts, somebody may come and buy 10 accounts, 10 CBCs. Another one can come and buy 100 CBCs. Now, immediately 9 CBCs comes after you have joined. Are you getting me? For you, you will be activated going into what we call pairing bonus. And the moment you enter into pairing bonus, every account that comes after you, after the 9th, it will be giving you, it will enter into what we call binary, or what we call pairing. Now, in pairing, then immediately as you start pair, the 10th, the 11th, it is also a 4th pairing. You will start earning what, $5 per pair. Are you getting me? You start earning $5 per pair. That is equivalent of 20,000 Uganda shillings. And on this platform, you are able to pair up to 13 pair. Up to 13 pair. Now, if you calculate this one, that one 5 times 13, that is around $65. In Uganda shillings, that is around 260,000. That one you have not yet recruited anybody. You have not brought anybody in business. You are just enjoying because you are a first comer, or you just joined the business before the others. You are just enjoying the business. Are you getting me? Now imagine you are 30,000 plus 260,000. That is 290,000. How much did you invest? You only invested 124,000. Your money, you have already tripled. You have doubled your money. You invested 124,000, but here you have already made 290,000. Your money came back. You have doubled your money, and this money is going to come continuously, whether you are working or you are not working. This is how crazy this program is. This is how powerful this program is. This is how amazing this program is. You cannot miss out on this. Are you getting me? Now, look at this. If you have decided to refer people, if you have decided to refer somebody, now, every person you refer in this platform, you earn 15% of what he has paid. Imagine you have referred a person and he has bought 100 CBC. Are you getting me? A person has bought 100 CBC. You who refer that person, you are going to get 15% of those 100 CBC. How much is that one? Remember, each 15% of one CBC is in Uganda shilling, that is 18,000. Are you getting me? But a person has bought 100 CBC.
Here you are going to earn 18,000 Uganda shillings times 100. That is 180,000 Uganda, 1.8 million Uganda shillings. Look at that kind of scenario. Are we together? Yeah. Look at that kind of 1.8 million Uganda shillings. Now, if somebody has bought 10 shares or 10 CBCs, here for you, instead of earning 18,000, you are earning 18 times what? 10. That's really, really crazy. That you are making 180,000 Uganda shillings instantly. You withdraw that money instantly, and you start enjoying that money. Look at this scenario. Now, if your person, what we call the second tier, if your person, the one you referred, has also referred the person, you are earning what we call second generation, and that is 5%. Are you getting me? Then if that person, the second person, has also referred another one, you are earning 3%. It goes up to 4 levels, and you are by that 4 levels you are earning up to 25%. This is how crazy this program is. It's really, really amazing. Now, this is one way of earning. Then we also have the matching bonus. The matching bonus, this comes after you have achieved the pairing bonus. Every time you finish the 13th pair, the 14th player will enter you into what we call matching bonus. And each player now is giving you between, instead of getting $5, you are now starting getting points, or what we call credits. You are now getting between 4 to 6 credits. I getting between 4 to 6 credits each player. Now, every time you hit 90 players or 90 credits, you are now getting the money that you have earned in Activa bonus. It's now going to multiply itself 3 times. Look, the money that you are getting from Activa bonus, it is now multiplying itself by 3 times. If it was 30,000, you are now getting 30,000 times 3. That is 90,000. Look at this scenario. People have joined, you don't know them. Are you getting me? People have joined, you don't know them. But you are earning money. You are earning money. Then when it comes pairing bonus, where you have earned $65, that is 260,000. Now it multiplies itself to by 3 times, and here you are earning around 780,000 Uganda shillings. This is really crazy. This is really, really amazing. Then it keeps accumulating. Credits keep accumulating. When credits go to 270 credits, now where you have been earning 75 in the 90 credits, you are now going to multiply credits by what? 3 times. It keeps multiplying 3 until level 1, 2, 3, 4, level 5, where it's now multiplied by 2 times. And by that time you are getting a lot of money. I'll be exploring more and more and more. Even a referral bonus keeps what? It multiplies itself. Every time you get into you enter into another phase, you hit 90 credits, referral bonus multiplies also itself by 3 times. The person you referred, remember you are not referring new people. The same people you referred are the same people that are giving you matching bonus. This is really how the business becomes amazing. Then we have what we call funding bonus. Funding bonus, this project has been designed in a way that it supports people who want to do their own business. People want to do business in crypto trading, in e-commerce and e-business. And in this scenario, we are the company is funding up to 2 times of whatever you have earned in your back office. If you have earned $1,000, we shall refund you up to $2,000. And remember, this has no security attached on it. We don't ask for security. Your account stands as a security for you. And we are looking at the fund giving support to eligible earners, traders, and supporters. People who are doing business. These are the people you are supporting, to give them support so that they can explore more into what we call exploring a financial freedom. You have your business, you have an e-commerce platform, you have a restaurant, you want some funding, you come and be part of us. Every time you get money in your back office, every money you are having in your back office, we double it. Are you getting me? And we are given up to 2 years, 24 months to pay back our money, and the interest of 50% interest in a period of 2 years. Then the moment you earn the money, you are paid back, you qualify to get more funding. Now, we also have what we call monthly bonus. Monthly bonus is for basically people who are more into, every time one is making a withdrawal, you qualify, 80% is what is paid to you, then 20% is allocated to monthly bonus. Those are for elite learners, traders, and supporters. Who are elite learners? Who is an elite trader and a supporter? An elite learner is that person who become the best in our learning sphere. I remember we are award performance appraisal. Every time the best performers or the best learners are given rewards, and those rewards they share 20% on every person's withdrawal. Whatever money you earn, remember this money is not coming on your personal effort. It's coming from the global participation. And every time the money that is coming from the global participation, we allocate 20% to the best. The elite learners, traders, and supporters. Now, who is the elite traders? Elite traders, these are people who have come to support our movement, or who have come to support our business of trading. Are you getting me? They are trading in cryptocurrency, they are trading in crypto, in forex trading. These are the people that we reward with 20%. Then we also have supporters. Supporters, who are supporters? There are two categories of supporters. We have two people. One, somebody who have recruited a total of 100 plus direct. Are you getting me? You have people that you have recruited over 100 direct. For you start earning on every month on whatever the entire community or the entire whatever people are withdrawing, you will be earning 20% of whatever they are the withdrawal they are making. Then we also have what we call you can personally buy 100 plus 101 CBCs and above. The moment you have bought 101 CBCs and above, you qualify to start earning on 20% monthly bonus altogether. Then we also have rank bonuses. Rank bonuses is another wonderful platform. This one is for we reward eligible learners, traders, and supporters. Who are eligible learners, traders, and supporters? These are the same scenario, but every time there are 9 ranks, and these ranks we start with beginner, advanced, explorer, expert, royal expert, crown expert, pro, master, and right time award. And every time you hit a beginner level, you earn 2.5 total earning on what you have on that level. Like in a beginner, that is 5,000. If you hit a 5,000 rank, dollars, you will earn 2.5% of that what you've achieved. and that is amazing. Then you go into in advance, you go to Explorer Expert and Royal Expert, Crown Expert, Pro Master, and Lifetime Award. These are all awards that comes as a result of hard work. Yes. Then we also have what we call performance bonuses. Performance bonuses comes to the people every time one achieves 1,500 CBCs in your network, you qualify to earn an iPhone 11 Pro. Are you getting me? Then a person who referred you or your upline will earn an iPhone 11. Are you getting me? For Achievers sponsor, because you have sponsored an active person. Then we have level phase 2, whereby the moment you have made or your team has made 3,500 CBCs, you will be awarded with an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the person who referred you will get an iPhone 11. That's really, really crazy. Then we have part B, where we have travel rewards, beach refills. We are feeding people. We give you rewards like airtime. We have travels. We have car bonuses. All these bonuses are coming on board. Now, our registration is very simple. You visit our website, that is www.cryptobureau.info. You choose how many CBC do you want to buy, or how much do you have to invest. Then you select a number of CBCs you want to buy: 10, 20, 50, 100, 1,000, depending on your capacity. Then if you want to buy to pay using Bitcoin, you select the CBC, then to take you to a payment portal. You'll go to your blockchain wallet. It will ask you to scan the payment hash ID. Then you will use your Bitcoin wallet, or you can buy Bitcoin from the providers. Then you pay, and the moment you pay, you will copy and paste the payment hash ID and confirm your payment, and you will be ready to start the business. Or we have another way of payment, what we call peer-to-peer key. You buy a peer-to-peer key from your sponsor, a person who has referred you. If a person has money on his back office, he will generate for you a key. In that key, the moment he sends you the key, that key will come with his sponsor ID. Are you getting me? Now, but if you are paying with Bitcoin, you need a person have to send you his personal ID to register under him. Then the moment you generate that key, it will come with that person's ID, and the moment you enter it there, it will tell you it's acceptable, and you will have joined our platform. This is one of the first platforms for the last 3 years under development. It has never existed. Never, because it is combining the 3 platforms. It's combining Unilevel, it's combining matching, and combines matrix. Are you getting me? Unilevel, matching, and matrix in one platform. This is a really, really amazing platform. And withdraw is very easy. You can withdraw using Bitcoin. You can from your wallet, from your account, directly to your wallet. You can withdraw by generating what you call a peer-to-peer transfer, or you can generate a key to somebody and the person gives you money. Then you also have an exchanger where your money is sent to our exchanger, and the exchanger sends that money to your currently we shall be using Airtel line. Airtel Uganda line. It is sent directly to the SIM, your phone number or your mobile account, direct on your phone. You fix it on the platform, and the money is sent directly onto your phone. With the moment the money hits onto your account, it is sent directly onto your phone. I want to welcome you back. I want to thank God for you. I want to thank for you for being very wonderful people. You have been very, very wonderful people. And I want to thank God for your life. I want to thank God for listening. I ask the Spirit of God to guide you. Whatever you are doing not doing according to your knowledge and understanding, but you are doing because the Spirit of God is guiding you. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. And I want to wish you all the best of your day. I want to wish you, remember we have entered our 7 days today with our second day of prayer and fasting and creation. We are here to create. We are here to make things pass. We are here to see that each and every one of us must succeed. We want to wish you all the best. Get time, learn more about our platform, because this platform is a mind-blowing platform. We want to wish you all the best as BCIG family, BCIG Nation family. We want to wish you all the best. We want to wish you all that we can, and may God really, really bless you. Amen.